opportunity in Huafon Pakistan Private Limited, and the opportunity is chemical engineering. About Huafon, it has a global presence and a prominent Chinese multinational specializing in advanced chemical processing solutions. Specialized industry, global leader in shoe soles, chemical processing, and PU innovation. Strategic location operating from state-of-the-art 3 industrial city in Faisalabad. Role overview: process optimization for PU production, quality control, and chemical process. Technical innovation. Candidate requirement: education must be minimum BSc engineering in chemical engineering. Experience is 2 to 3 years in PU industry. Key competency: strong analytical and problem-solving mindset. Expertise in chemical process optimization. Commitment. Why join Huafon? Financial security, health and well-being, work-life balance, on-site bonus. So apply now. Join the Huafon Pakistan team and drive industrial innovation. Email your CV at this mail or WhatsApp at this. Please mention chemical engineer application in your subject line or message. So what you're waiting for? Apply now and get a chance to being selected.